positions. The subscapularis muscle, shown here in red, is a large triangular-shaped muscle located in the subscapular fossa, anteriorly to the scapula. It is one of the 4 rotator cuff muscles. As we can see, the subscapularis muscle originates, proximal attachment, from the subscapular fossa of the scapula. It inserts, distal attachment, into the lesser tubercle of the humerus. Its innervation comes from the upper and lower subscapular nerves, C5 through C7. The primary action of the subscapularis muscle is medial rotation, internal rotation of the humerus. Since it is one of the rotator cuff muscles, the subscapularis also helps in the mechanism of force coupling by stabilizing the shoulder joint and pulling the head of the humerus downward and towards the glenoid fossa of the scapula, especially at the beginning of shoulder abduction. To strengthen the subscapularis, try shoulder internal rotation exercises in different variations of shoulder abduction and flexion angles. To stretch the subscapularis, try external rotation at the shoulder in different variations of shoulder abduction and hold this position.